Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to the e-classes of Sufa English High School. Now student, today we are going to start new paragraph of this lesson. So let's start. You know that food, clothes, shelter, education and health are our basic needs due to the labor and skills of people in the society. Now, as I told you, when we are sad, we feel like to share this sadness with other person so that we feel secure. Now, as you all staying in a family, we feel good. We are all the companionship of our family members, relatives, friends. Now, there are many talented people. They use their skills in society by producing various articles. There are many educational and health related service. If you are not well, then you can consult in healthcare center. So these are all things available in the society. A variety of industries and occupation help to fulfill our needs. For example, we need books for studying and paper for books. That is why occupations like manufacturing paper, printing book, binding, etc. also develop. Many people contribute to this process. Thus, the variety of occupations in the society help us in fulfilling our needs. This also leads to the development of our skills and capabilities. Our basic needs are fulfilled in society. We depend on each other for our emotional needs such as security, appreciation, praise and support, etc. Thus, our life in society is interdependent. Now students, there are many industries and occupation has come up in the market because to provide jobs to the people and make their lives secure and stable, and from this the needs get fulfilled. This is called basic needs. So there are occupations like manufacturing companies, manufacturing paper, printing books, binding, etc. Many have contributed in this now to fulfill our needs, like we need book for studying. Now, like joining such industries, we develop our skills and capabilities which our society needs. Now an interdependent society functions correctly. That is not just a society where feel dependent on each other, is one where we feel responsible for world. Understand? Now go to the next paragraph. 1.3, our development. Every person is born with some qualities and capabilities, but they are dormant. They develop in a society. We use language to communicate with one another, but we cannot do so at birth. We learn language gradually. Our first language is the one that is spoken at home. If our neighbors speak different language, we pick up those too. Schools also provide opportunity to learn different languages. We also have the capacity to think independently. For example, when all the students in a class are given the same topic for an essay, why is it that no two essays are the same? It is because the thought process in each is different. Society help in the development of our emotional capabilities and the power to think. It also provide the opportunity for expressing our thoughts and feelings. Now what does this paragraph mean? Every person is born with inbuilt qualities or capabilities that every person has. Now some are good in studies, some are good in sports, some are good in some other activities. They are dormant. They are dormant means having normal physical functions suspended or slowed down for a period of time. Now, we use different language to communicate with others. When we were born, our family first language which is spoken at home. They teach that first. Now slowly when we grow up and when we communicate with other people, we pick up the different language what they talk. Even when we go to school, they give us opportunities to learn different languages. Now every person capacity to think is different. Example like when in the class teacher on give any topic in essay is given, so we start thinking differently. This is our called third process. You think differently, your partner thinks differently. You both cannot think the same content of that topic. So that is our third process. Today is enough for this class. So thank you.